muna ako sa hindi makeup. This is the OMG Nail Polish in the shade Exactly Red. Super favorite color ko yung red. Ito yung red na gusto ko na shade. Kasi may iba't ibang klase ng red eh, diba? Next product is a makeup remover. I have a very sensitive skin, as in super sensitive, and I'm acne prone. Ito talaga yung makeup remover na hindi talaga ako nag-breakout, and it's very affordable. This is the Pure Derm Argan Oil, and this is paraben free. I thought talaga na hindi siya paraben free. So, nagpalit ako, bumili ako ng mga micellar water. Pero nung tiningnan ko ulit, paraben free pala siya. So, binili ko ulit siya. So, next product is, this brush is my favorite brush. Ano lang siya, this is, kasali to siya sa unbranded brush ko na 400 pesos, yung 10 pieces brush. And I really, really like this one. Super ganda niya and mura lang din. Does the job. Kung medyo nagmamadali ako, ito na ginagamit ko. Kasi usually I use sponge. Pero if nagmamadali, brush lang mas mabilis eh. So, next is this sponge. This is the AOA sponge. Oh, see? Sobrang lambot. I super love this sponge. If naghanap kayo ng much more affordable than Beauty Blender, pero mas mura pa kaysa sa Real Techniques, go get this one. I have a review which hindi ko alam, which I say doon na medyo matigas. But, at first, matigas talaga siya, lalo na pagbago. But, pag, like, lagi nila siyang ginagamit and binabasa, super fluffy and ang lambot. Hindi talaga siya pareho talaga ng Real Techniques and the Beauty Blender. Sobrang layo. But, it does the job. So, thumbs up. And it is 180 pesos lang. Really, really affordable. Next is, this is the Romantic Collection Secret Admirer Fragrance Mist. As you can see, paubos na siya. I always use this one. This is my everyday pabango. Sobrang bango talaga niya. And this is also affordable. You can find this Watsons. Next is a facial mist. This is the Innisfree Green Tea Mineral Mist. This is how it looks like. And I only have this in 50 ml. Oh my god, this is amazing. Sobrang ganda niya talaga. It gives moisture sa skin. It's magic. So next product is for my brows. This is the L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit. Looks like this. And I have it in the darkest shade ata to eh. Basta it's in this. As in, I use this every day. And I love, love, love this one. Yung shade niya kasi bagay na bagay din sa akin. Next is the Garnier Roll-On. I'm not sure if discontinued na siya, but I hope not. Basta I really, really like this one. Very underrated siya na product, pero super ganda. I use this to highlight. It's very hydrating. And if gusto nyo ng coverage, ililive mo lang siya ng mga siguro like 13 seconds, ganon. The coverage I really, really love as well. And yes, super ganda nito for highlighting. Next is foundation. Ito yung pinaka gusto ko talaga as of the moment. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation. And I really like a dewy skin. Parang ngayon lang ata yung parang matte na matte yung skin ko. But I do love dewy skin. And this one gives me that really amazing skin. Next product is this one from e.l.f. It is the Contouring Blush and Bronzing Cream. Not really sure if meron pa to. I started using it again kasi natambak na siya sa drawer ko and I decided to use it kasi meron siyang cream contour. Naubusan na kasi ako ng contour stick and I really like cream contours. Much long lasting kasi siya. Stop using the powder ones kasi it's kind of looking cakey. Next is, this is the e.l.f. Pinktastic Blush. It doesn't have any glitter specks. So, perfect na perfect talaga siya for us everyday. I use it for everyday. You can always add more para super like blinding siya. Next is another one. This sa e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Mad for Matte Original. Looks like this. Neutral shades. Super, I love. I use this every day. Hindi siya chalky at all. If you're looking for a good na makeup palette na maliit, like travel friendly, this is for you. Next product is a lip product. This is the Maybelline Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Vibrant Violet. I love, love, love. Super love ko talaga to. It looks like this. I don't use it like ganito talaga. I just dab it like that para makuha ko lang yung shade na gusto ko. So, last but not the least is a liquid lip. This is the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip. And this is in the shade Beeper. I'm actually wearing it now. I love this one. It's very comfortable to wear. Super comfortable talaga. Hindi, like, parang wala kayong nilagay. Hindi din siya super drying sa akin, ha. And the shade, I love as well. Super. I love the shade. Wala kasi akong ganito na shade na lip product, lipstick, whatsoever. So, next one is the Milani, ano ba to? Amore Matte Lipstick. Lip cream. And this is in the shade Love. Super love the shade. And super bango din niya. And so, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoy watching. Please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!